Hi, it's Shannon here, back from houseimprovements.com, and today I've got day 10 of the garage build vlog. Today's project, basically I want to get this back gable here all wrapped, and since I'm going to have the scaffold set up, I'm going to also put the siding on it. And then once I get done from up there, I'll probably go around and get all my corners on, J-channel, all the siding accessories basically on the garage. And I've got a couple things I've got to run around and do, so I probably won't be here all day, and that might be all I get done. We'll see what happens by the end of the day. Okay, wrap up for day 10. Day 10's in the books, and got quite a bit done today. Got all the vinyl siding accessories on except for around the overhead door. I'm still waiting for some metal to go on there, some flashing, but got everything else on, ready to start siding tomorrow. Got the walk-in door all in. All the siding trim is done around that. Corners, all the siding blocks, I might have had those on yesterday, I can't remember. Trim around the window. And I was kind of starting on the back to get ready to start some siding there, but I'll get back to that first thing in the morning. So tomorrow will be siding. Got some help coming. My dad's coming to give me a hand, and we'll get all the siding on the next couple days, I think.